Good morning. Oh, hello, YouTubers and Mmdvmers as well. In this video, I just want to very briefly talk about the search feature that Jonathan has implemented in the ysfgateway, and the little problem that I've noticed that we may be able to find a way around. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the gateway and how it works with Mmdvm and the Yaesu System Fusion radio, then have a look on my YouTube channel. There is a walkthrough video that explains how to use that. The setting up the gateway and the host is another topic in itself, and that's well discussed in the Mmdvm forum. But this is just a quick practical demonstration of a little problem that we're kind of running into, and I just want to show you what it is with the search. So assuming that you've got your radio set up and it's working well with the gateway, on the FTM 100 we just push and hold this button here and it will bring up this menu. Now at the moment, I'll just quickly go over this again. You just push the all button. This will search for or give a list of all of the gateways that are available, and these are configured and defined within the YSF gateway. This is not going to work. It sometimes does this. It doesn't hear the response from the modem or the host. Sorry, or the host. The host doesn't hear the radio request. Anyway, let's just push this button again. There you go, we got it this time. So this is now a list of all of the gateways which have been defined, and the number on the side here tells you how many people are logged onto them. Now if you can see, we've got this one. I've no idea what this is. Don't know what these are. Germany, guess what this one is. Fusion Italy, of course that's fairly obvious, but as you can see, it's just a mishmash of different naming conventions, and then we've got these YSF numbers, which is, I guess, with the original naming convention. This is Adrian's VK4TUX server. It's fairly popular. There's a few stations logged onto it. So what Jonathan's implemented is a search facility, and if we go to here and search. Now, if you just put in the search, now obviously there's not many hosts at the moment, so it's not that useful. But if it grows and there's lots of gateways, imagine on the YSX thing, and you've got 1,000 links or something on there, then this might become useful. But I'm just going to put in here YS. Okay. Now we know that all of the, or not, some of the links are starting with YSF and then numbers. I'm just going to enter that, okay, and it will now go off and search, and it will give me a list of all of the systems that start with YS, okay, and you can see this list has come back here. Now if I just go back a minute and just go back into all, and I just want to show you something. Okay, so we've got, you see we've got this YSF _BM _UK. This is the reflector that's hosted in the UK. If I go back to the search, and I think, right, I'm going to look for UK. Where are we at? UK. Sorry about this. I'm going as quickly as I can. And then OK, it will now find no results. It basically it only searches on the way that the search system works. It only searches on the first part of the call sign. So I'd like to make a proposal to the group, and that if we were to rather than prefixing with YSF, if we were to prefix with either the language spoken or the country code, it would be very easy just to, like for instance, if it was language English, they could all start with EN, and then maybe like a user sort of common URL, en dot whatever, or dash, whatever people like, so that it'd be very easy to find English speaking reflectors. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you, was the search and how it does work, and how it can also not work as well. Thanks for watching.